guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. We're back in shitty Belgium and I didn't shave today. So the boys at Race Ramps sent me this motorcycle flat tire stopper. It is what it is what it says. So let's unbox this and let's see what they sent me. And I see you guys thinking, why the hell do we need that if we get those? Well, not every motorcycle you can have one of those bike stands. And second thing, that one costs $180. Yeah, must be some kind of the same than in Belgium, so it's about 180 euros, so that thing is pretty expensive, and you also need one for the front. So it's gonna set you back a lot of money. But like I said, not every motorcycle is equipped and made for a stand like that, so those are pretty fine too. And what's in the box? Well, of course we have one for each wheel, and this is also pretty neato. So if you put your bike on the stand, of course it's going to lift your bike, and it's like this thing's like stuck in there. Look at that. That's for your bike stand. Put it like that. Wheels on these guys, and your bike stand goes on that. This is some really strong material. God dang it. So straightforward. They can hold a 750 pounds max, which is kinda a lot. They look pretty neato in the sun. Nice. Let's put them on the floor and let's get the bike out. And I know I shouldn't really start the bike just to push it from there to there. Someone else told me last time, like, why the hell just start your motorcycle with you just could have pushed it 5 meters. I know, but it sounds great, right? And there's nobody saying me not to. And that's about as easy as it gets. So this material is a very lightweight and very strong. I've been working with race ramps a couple of times before with cars, and I gotta say that stuff is hard as a rock. Should have cleaned the bike before I did it, but didn't have time yet. But I gotta take care of my beast. And as you can tell, it follows the curve of your tire, so you don't get that flat edge and a bumpy ride. Let's check out the fat rear tire. Look at that monster. God dang it. It really follows the curve, so that's perfect. Yeah, and don't forget that one. You need that one. And a good tip, if you would purchase these things, if you want to get it back off, pushing on is pretty easy, but if you want to get them off, just start jiggling the bike and it will pop itself off. Look at this. Now that's easy, right? There's not much to review about these guys. They're motorcycle Flatstoppers, so yeah, that's about it for this video. Really doing a shout out to Race Ramps for sponsoring this video and sending me some Flatstoppers. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy a pair of Flatstoppers. Like I said, they're a lot cheaper, lightweight, and they keep your tire from getting that flat edge. So that's all I gotta say about this Flatstopper and the KTM Superduke GT. Still gotta wash it though. It's kind of dirty. Got some cobwebs, spider webs. It's cobwebs, right? Got those on the bike, so really time to clean and shave. And I'll talk to you guys later. Got a link in the description for Flatstopper. Did I mention that? Okay. Peace, guys. See you later.